So scary.
All right, last week, Ansel and I hit up IKEA.
You know, it got us thinking a lot about these lifestyle speakers from companies that don't normally make speakers.
We've done some research online. We're planning on hitting Dollarama and London Drugs.
See what kind of speakers we can find. Bring it back to David Harley's.
Boom. Made it.
We made it. Check out this view first, though.
I actually love Park Royal.
It's so nice, eh? That's not so nice. It'd be pretty interesting to see what we get.
I bet you it'll be better than whatever the peanut one was. That was a bonding experience for all of us.
Oh, totally.
Wow. So,
This does not need to be on the market if this exists. This is bullshit. Okay, we're in Dollarama. It's a Rage portable speaker.
Splashproof IPX4 360 surround sound with a carrying loop. Contains one rechargeable built-in lithium-ion battery. All right.
London Drugs.
All right. Here we go, the built-in Bluetooth. Enables simple wireless pairing with your Bluetooth-enabled devices. Built-in USB port, microphone input, built-in radio FM.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
A built-in handle makes it easy to bring place to place. Aux input allows you to connect and listen.
No battery life,
Battery
nothing.
life.
Well, yeah, I guess we'll see.
Okay. I think we should
Okay,
get
and
this
we'll
one.
get
Due to ask for help.
the funk. Wireless speaker and glow lamp from Crayola.
I think we should get that one.
3 brightness levels. Nice. We'll do it. What's up, guys? Woo! We just got done here at the mall. We went to a bunch of stores, spent quite a bit of time here.
Now let's take it back to the office and get the rundown if these are any good or not. Boom.
Sweet. Okay. Let me hang
That
it
was
for
a
the
terrible high five.
Now let's go.
Option 1.
Mmm.
First one.
We're back, boys.
Checking out more speakers. Oh.
That's a speaker.
Yeah,
It looked
it
like
Is
a
this not a
box.
container? Is
That's
this
what I
not
thought.
a-
Yeah, it looked like a
is this not a
case.
Are we sure this is not like a toy?
It weighs nothing.
Yeah. What are we holding?
Got a little handle here.
Well, this is the ProScan tailgate Bluetooth speaker from London Drugs.
There we go. We
Oh,
got
hey.
lights in there too.
Hey, you know what? Still more lighting than the Penguin.
Check it out. There is a holder here for a microphone in the back. Don't think it comes with
Sold
one.
separately?
And it's even got a mic input and it has an aux in too.
I see USB-A here.
USB.
Is that for loading a USB or for
Yeah,
charging
a mini,
out?
mini disc or something?
Mini disc?
Micro USB, micro SD, 1/4 inch in, 1/8 inch in. So already we got more connection options than
I get it,
most
because it can
speakers.
scan your USB. Because it's a pro scan.
It's a-
Yeah, fire the marketing team. I don't have a lot of faith in this one, just
Got
by
some
the build
controls on
quality.
Is that full volume?
Nope, this is.
Pretty bad.
That's pretty bad.
Pretty bad.
It's pretty bad. That is actually AM radio.
Yeah, we're back
This
to the AM radio
actually
vibes.
sounds like the Vapabeat, and I'm gonna tell you right now, this is cheaper than the Vapabeat, guaranteed.
Speaking of AM radio, it actually has a radio FM built in too.
What? Oh, we got different options for.
What's the radio?
There it is.
No, that's actually post rock.
It gets one station and it's full buzz. It's pretty cheap.
This looks like a carry-on that might still be too big for EasyJet.
It's like a large size Barbie carry-on or something.
That
like
is true, yeah.
It should be pink and come with a Barbie.
It's like a luggage that you give to your kid.
I was gonna go ahead and say this is cheap plastic junk.
Yeah, you're getting no bass.
You know what? The light show isn't too bad though.
Yeah, it's still more impressive than the Penguin.
Yeah. So yeah,
I'm taking-
fun for a 5-year-old.
Nah, I just don't think it's fun.
Yeah.
That's what we in the industry call a waste of time.
What would you rate it out of 10?
2. Yeah. No good. What's the price on this one?
Wait, I didn't give my rating.
Fair
Whoa,
enough.
there's two people in this
Slow
video.
down.
Yeah, I'm also gonna give this 2 vitamin C bottles out of 10. So. We're not in IKEA. I can't use meatball.
Yeah. It's not even the chewable kind. They're
Yeah,
like the
yeah,
horse
yeah,
pills.
not-
You gotta swallow them.
Yeah, the really big
Full,
pill.
yeah, no water or anything either.
It's too cheap. Doesn't sound good. It has the memories of a microphone imprinted in the back. It looks like a container I could put a better speaker in. Okay, price.
Well, the price.
Wait,
of
actually, hold on. Wait, we should guess.
I want to say $25.99.
That's exactly what I was gonna say. I'm not just saying that. I can't be more than $25.99, or else I'm gonna jump out our basement level window.
Well, the price of the ProScan tailgate Bluetooth speaker is $19.99.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Yeah, it's $20.
No windows will be broken today.
Sounds like
This is,
$20.
no, it doesn't sound like $20. It sounds like so.
Okay, so IKEA is one above. what you're gonna find at your local pharmaceutical.
Better question, this or that
store.
Penguin?
Oh, Penguin for sure. Penguin's got a way better light show. The Penguin knows how to have a proper tailgate. Oh, interesting.
Whoa, this looks
Okay.
like a Yui knockoff.
Now, yeah, okay, now we're getting closer to something that looks like a Bluetooth speaker. This is the Boom classic speaker. Not my favorite.
And
but-
this is the what?
This is the Tech One Rage portable speaker.
Oh man,
Okay.
it's for raging.
I mean, I will say I like the woven fabric front here.
Yeah.
I like the red too.
Super light, once again.
Yeah, you've got the mushy controls on the top. I don't
Yeah.
know, Dave. I know you're not a fan of
No,
mushy
I need
playback
tactile
controls.
clickiness at
Yeah.
all times. Let's fire it up. One rager.
Tech One
Loud.
Rage portable speaker.
Dude, I've heard that startup.
It's like the generic Bluetooth speaker
yeah.
startup sound.
Must be. Surprised how easy we've been able to pair. To
Yeah,
this.
you know, at
That's
least
all
they've
you
got
got
a
for
good.
Bluetooth connection on there? Those
I-
are rookie numbers, man. You gotta pump those numbers up.
Yeah.
There's nothing on there.
I mean, I am
Are
actually.
you sure you're an audio
I
product
have
reviewer?
good. I know. I have good Bluetooth hygiene.
Because, you know, when you go into Bluetooth settings here and you need to connect, I think that's a good representation of how many product, you know, I've personally
No, this
listened
is-
to.
this is-
SoundGuys.com.
No. This is.
Oh,
this
look,
is
I'm going to connect to your phone right now. Gotcha.
denied. My Bluetooth list is an example of good Bluetooth hygiene. His is laziness.
Yes.
Anyway,
It's a
you know,
lifestyle
we're all
choice.
friends here, right? You know, truce.
Not true.
There we go. Anyway, back to the matter at hand.
There's no charge port. Is this like you use it once and then throw it in
Nope,
the
there it
garbage?
is. It's a flap.
Oh, okay.
Or is it? Yes.
Wow.
Ooh. Oh, so it's got a radio.
Also a real It's got a radio.
Got micro USB for charging, so old. The micro SD card, aux in, and USB A.
Most speakers don't have that anymore.
Yeah. Let's see if this speaker's got decent enough sound quality.
Look at this
Okay, here we
loop.
go.
So this is the
We got to listen to it for 1 second.
this is the dollar store one, right? Well, you know, they didn't even fold it in there very well. They could have at least put the material on there. I mean, it really just sort of like comes apart, you know. Let's see where the drivers are.
So I got to listen to it for a grand total of 1 second, and honestly, it was not worth listening to
Oh,
anyway.
it might reconnect. Oh,
No,
okay.
because if we put the blue bar, where does that go? I can fix this. I can fix her.
I can't believe that happened.
You can't write this, dude. Oh, I broke the terminal on the other side.
Oh, it came
Can't bring it back.
off.
It's not happening.
Oh man.
It's
Well,
not happening. Well,
that's the proof's in the pudding right there.
Um,
Don't buy a speaker from the dollar store.
Guess how much it costs?
Two
not $1
$2.
apparently.
Probably $2.
$5.
Ah, okay, yeah, it's one of those
Okay.
stores.
But the sound didn't sound bad.
I mean,
Is that-
we'll never know.
Apparently, it had 360 surround sound.
No.
Really?
And
Okay, no.
IPX4 water resistance.
Wow.
Where's the 360 driver? Because all I see is plastic. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yeah, there's
there
only-
it is.
There's the one driver out. This is a cutout. There should have been a driver up top.
Yeah, so this
So
speaker's
this is a lie. What were you trying to do? Like test the
I was just,
durability of the
yeah,
loop?
the loop. I was like, there's a loop on there, and yeah.
Well,
There, look what's
I
left
don't know
over.
about you.
I guess
Thank
what's
you.
your rating?
-3 plastic shopping bags out of 10.
I'm gonna kind of just give it a little DQ here. Dairy Queen disqualified. So we tried.
See my Monday playlist?
Bring it on.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Crayola.
Crayola makes speakers. Why does it have a handle on the bottom? Okay, what is this?
This is the Crayola glow lamp speaker.
Lamp. We
get
got a
it
lamp
on, yeah.
score.
Your
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay. I like how there's somebody else talking in the background for the audio that they use.
Yeah.
Let's fire it up there.
Okay, are we in? Oh yeah, they said it's.
FM mode.
Oh, it has a radio too.
They all have radio. It's so
Your
bizarre.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Is it?
Terrible.
It does sound real bad.
Somebody was not paid enough. The
I like that
voiceover.
you can see the light through all the ports. So if
Strong
water,
attention to
if you get
detail.
any water on that, it's
They are
going
not waterproof.
Right inside.
I guess what you're saying is you shouldn't be taking these to your beach days, pool parties, and backyard
Not
barbecues,
at
right?
all.
Look at how happy they
This
are.
is gonna sound terrible. Okay, that's as loud as it gets. That's pretty bad. Crayola? I don't know.
Nope.
I think you gotta
Stick to
stick to crayons. It looks cute. But yeah.
No, it doesn't.
It sounds worse than this guy so far. So far, the Pro Scan's the best of the three. But also, it's funny that you're gonna hang it up and all your crayon guys are.
Why?
Blood's gonna be rushing to their head. Burnt Cien's gonna have some brain bleed.
Yeah,
you know?
so no bass, no bass. Can't really hear much from it. Doesn't get very loud.
Yeah.
Sucks.
How's the lamp?
I'm gonna give it like a 2.
You want your kid to have a seizure.
2 Crayolas out of 10 for lamp. Half a Crayola out of 10
One half
for
pink
sound.
carnation Crayola. For
What's your
bonus
favorite
points.
Crayola color?
Oh, pink carnation for sure.
Okay. I felt so smart in kindergarten being able to say the word turquoise and no one else could. Wait, I want to guess.
Oh.
I think it's like $12.
I hope it wasn't $19.99.
The price of the Crayola glow lamp is $29.99.
Oh.
Canadian dollars.
Oh man.
Is there a return policy? Yes or no?
I think so.
There is? Because I was so close to throwing it.
Bottom.
Yeah, we got one more.
Oh,
One
all right. Please end on a high note. Whoa.
Oh.
Okay. Please tell us more.
This is the Defunk home speaker.
Okay.
It's a 100-watt speaker. Got Bluetooth 5.0. It's got Wi-Fi.
Oh wow.
Alexa built in.
Built
Plug this
in.
one in.
This kind of looks like the kind of design that Bang & Olufsen would make for their speakers.
Yep.
Very bold.
It kind of looks like it's out
Statement
of
piece.
2001: A Space Odyssey.
Yeah, it kind of looks like somebody just made a giant ear pod from back in the day. Huge. It's just a giant version of that.
Good point.
No, I'm serious. Put a picture of an ear pod, like an OG ear pod right now, with that like satellite-looking design.
Oh my god.
What laptop in 2005 did this belong to? The last time I saw a power brick like this was for like an Acer laptop running Windows XP in 2007. And I could play my mini clip games on it. Okay, buddy.
Nice.
Promising.
Okay. Not terrible.
That's not bad. Easily the best one we've tried today.
Yeah, has actual bass
Easily.
response.
It's an actual speaker.
Yeah. It's got a bass response, dude.
Yeah.
It's got good treble clarity.
Yeah. I don't like that it's got tap controls on the top. Even as I was moving, it's really easy to trigger it. Then there's the dedicated Alexa button, and there's a microphone mute, so that's very important.
Sounds good.
Not bad, not bad. I just think it's not gonna be worth its price, though.
Yeah, this is gonna be.
This is screaming $99.99 to me.
Oh yeah, I'm guessing $100.
In terms of rating, I think sound quality, I'm gonna give it like 7 melatonin bottles out of 10.
Yeah, I'll go with
Yeah.
a 7.
7.
I think that's reasonable.
Is there a speaker that comes to mind from a proper audiophile brand that's comparable to this?
200 watts of a home speaker. Yeah, you know, it could keep up with maybe like the Sony Altfield 5 or something like that. It could probably keep up with the JBL Charge 6.
Oh, 100%. I know.
The original price of the Funk home speaker
No, Lauren's laughing. I already don't like this.
is $500.
What the funk? Serious? $500?
$500.
Oh man. Well, I'm gonna have to look into this a bit more because that's a ripoff. I don't know, man. I'm not spending $500 on a speaker. That's a rough go. I'd rather have
But
500 of these than one of those.
we got it on sale for $150.
Oh, okay, that's more reasonable. I can see
Okay, I'm back. Now, if you pay full price for this, you're an idiot. But no offense, but actually a little bit. Yeah, 150 is still a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, at that point, yeah, I'd rather go back to
He's
our
a Vape
first
BB
IKEA
kinda guy.
video. No, I'm not a vape guy. Let's be clear. Let's be clear here. I'm not a vape BB guy.
Vape would be fanboy.
Definitely not.
I think we should do something fun with this.
Which one?
Hang on. What was it called again? Let's
You
find
want to
out.
feel the rage, brother?
Let's see if the Tech One Rage can handle a bit of rage.
It can.
Wow.
It actually could.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, puny ass.
Oh, there we go. We can
Puny
reuse
battery.
that.
Really?
And yeah, I like how they had housing for another one, but they decided not to use it.
Maybe that's for the $10 version.
Yeah,
For
exactly.
the $10 dual driver
Yeah.
setup. Now, if you want to see what other speakers the Ansel and Lauren brought us and our reactions to it, then make sure to check out this video right here, because I think those speakers were way better than all the ones we saw today.
Yeah, so far IKEA is winning over the stereotypical
Except that penguin.
pharmaceutical drug
That
store.
penguin.
He would. That penguin. It's a. I don't get him started.
You want to start another war? Start another war? All right, that's a good.